Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you cannot print document and the printer driver is unavailable on your Windows computer. So that says drivers is unavailable. How to fix that? I show you guys how to fix that. For that, go to search menu and type device manager. Open it. And in here you need to expand the folder printer queues, expand it and select your printer, whatever printer you have problem with guys. Right click on it and click update driver and browse my computer for drivers, locate and install your drivers for manually. Click on it and click let me pick from available list on my computer, available drivers on my computer. You just want to click on it and click next, and Windows has successfully updated your drivers guys. Close out of here and close it. You just want to restart both PC and printer same time guys. After that your problem has been resolved guys. For that, restart your PC. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.